Well, let's go see what Chris is up to out here. And I'll show you what I'm working on too. So for anyone that's in the lower mainland and you're looking for a good tattoo artist, look no further than Steveson Tattoo. Ryan Halter is the owner of the shop, does good traditional style tattoos, done most of the tattoos that you see on me. And this guy is, he's got a good team down there. You've got to look them up, Steveson Tattoo, check him out. Anyway, he brought his GMC truck in. It's a newer Suburban. I know it's newer, but hey, he's a friend. A couple little holes up in the wheel wells, just patching them up for him before the winter weather comes. That's about it. So hey, don't give me too many knocks on this one. You help people out that are your friends. But we're still Old Time Garage, so we're not going to be doing this new stuff all the time. So any of you people out there I don't know, don't get carried away and think you're going to bring it in. It's a super clean truck though. As you can see maybe here, typical issue with these trucks, see? And that's because they double layer it there because they bolt onto the body there. You could buy newer inner fenders, but for that little bit, why would you buy a newer inner fender where you can just patch it, you know? So, but a really clean truck. Actually, I drive this truck all day long. I drive the snot out of it. So you can see I already made a patch up on that side. If you can see it under there, put some seam sealer over it. And that's it. We'll spray some rust paint on there and away we go. Nice truck though. Nice clean truck. It's got the full load in here. Look at that. Vents for the AC going on back there. Power windows, power door locks. Man, this guy's styling. I don't even know how you work power locks. Anyway, there you go right there. Steveson Tattoo Company. Check them out. Okay, let's see if we can find what, where's Chris gone? Fender's all painted up for the Fargo here. Just got to put it on. Still got to paint the door on the front fender. Oh my God. Oh, there he is. He's right here laying down on the job. You know, that's the requirement here. Take an afternoon nap so you're relaxed. So what's going on here? Are the engine mounts in?
Yeah, just trying to get them to fit now.
Oh, fuck. Well, that's what happens when you put a Chev in a 4-day.
Yeah. Poly engine mounts don't flex like the normal ones.
No. So,
it was actually rubbing on the pan, on the cross member, and on the drag link for the steering.
The engine was?
Yeah.
So is it gonna now?
It should be better now.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, the drag link would be the most.
Oh, yeah.
That's not good. Wow.
Yeah.
Well, I guess, I don't know, I guess the mounts went, right?
Yeah. Yeah, the one was the new two-piece design.
Okay. Oh, nice.
So that's probably why I was sitting down.
Hang on to that. We'll JB weld it and sell it back to Corey later. That's looking good. Yeah, okay. So what else is going on here? Satellite in the corner, quarter panel cut off. Waiting on the panel. They never did foam me.
Sean was working on a real hot rod in there.
Oh boy. Yeah, yeah, let's go in here. We blame this on Hank, the shop dog, but really it's probably Sean. Shouldn't blame it on Hank. Oh, the phone's ringing. Let's see if it's anyone important. No, it's nobody important. So we got a 91 Honda with collector plates on it. There he is. Holy, what are you working on here?
What can I say?
Well, I wouldn't say much at all.
No, I'll say nothing.
No, I'm glad you closed the door halfway.
Yeah, there's something hitting my eyes and I couldn't see the gem I'm working on.
56 Nash Metropolitan. Somebody cut the back end off. My buddy brings it to me, wants to put a barbecue and a cooler in the back and tow it behind like it's a little trailer. And that's about the only thing a Nash is probably good for anyway. I shouldn't say that on YouTube. There's probably some Nash lovers out there. Oh, yeah. There's going to be some thumbs down tonight. Not you?
Not me.
Not me either.
I hate that.
Yeah, well... Well, okay, so you're working on that, and Sean gets a wonderful 91 Honda that's got a collector plate on it. Yeah. I mean, what kind of bullshit is this? You get a collector plate on, but it's 25 years old. So the guy had a little bit of rust here. I welded some patches in, and you're probably thinking, why are you working on a Honda, Rick? Well, I'm working on a Honda because I built a hot rod for this guy, So that's why I did the Honda, because we built the truck for him, and how can you say no to this? And his wife loves this car, and the whole idea is that to keep the woman happy, or else the man will always just be drunk in a drunken haze. All right, well, I'll leave you to what you're doing there. You're doing such a good job. Okay, I'll go find another one for you. You know, it's such a wonderful day out, Chris, and the sun's out. Maybe I should just do a burnout in Black Betty for everyone.
That sounds like a good time.
Okay, I'll give you the camera right now. I don't even need to warm that sucker up. The black's always ready to go. Here we go. We haven't done a video on YouTube with a burnout for a long time.
No, it's been a minute.
Well. Now, do we even have any tires left?
I think there's enough for one more.
Think there's enough for one more?
Oh yeah.
Get her going here. Most people would warm their vehicle up.
Oh yeah, but it's the Chevy motor. It's all good.
A Ford would never do this.
No. No, it'll be snow soon. Well, that was a good one. Here he comes back.
What do you think?
That was a good one.
It's always a good time at Old Time.
Oh, for sure.
And if you don't agree with that, it's just because you're jealous because you can't do a burnout. Yeah. You agree, right?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you later, guys.